Lincoln, come here. It's the start of the video. Lincoln. I'm paying the crew a salary. Can you tell? Lincoln. Come here. Lincoln doesn't like the Vichy brand, I guess. But look at Ike does. Lincoln, come here. You want your salary? Come here.
Why you spit it out?
Lincoln just is not a treat guy. I don't know why. But Ike loves treats. Lincoln is not a good eater. He needs to be force-fed sometimes. So, good boys, that's all I got. Sorry. Okay, that's the cost of admission for them to be in a video. Their agent requested treats. Kind of like how, I don't know, what celebrity was it that requested, like, they take out the green M&Ms? I don't know. Some rapper or something. Puff Daddy? P. Diddy? Puffy Combs? Sean Combs? He got 10 names. I don't know. Maybe that was him. I only want the green M&Ms and the Fiji water. Okay, so I've been asked to review this one. And anyway, so this is the Vichy LiftActiv PEPTIDE-C Ampoule Serums. This is the, I think, the 20-pack? 20 applications. So, okay, they say supercharge your skin with LiftActiv PEPTIDE-C Anti-Aging Ampoule Serum to reignite radiance and reduce wrinkles. This dermatologist tested, which means nothing, by the way, daily dose is a highly concentrated formula of 10% pure vitamin C. It's not really that highly concentrated, by the way, since there are a lot of serums with 20% vitamin C. But anyway, natural origin hyaluronic acid, phytopeptides, and Vichy volcanic water targeting fine lines, wrinkles, lack of firmness, radiance, fragrance-free, paraben-free, minimalist formula with 10 ingredients. Okay, so packaging. Let me get right to that. I do love the packaging because if you travel or used to travel, it was great for that, especially if you just go for like a 3-day weekend. So you just grab one of these and you're good. You don't need to grab a whole bottle or repackage it or try and find a sample product. You just grab one of these and you're probably good for all 3 days of the weekend. Although they do say this is meant to be used within 2 days. So it's supposed to be 2 applications, although I've gotten it for 3 and 4. Like if I travel, instead of bringing multiple ones, I just bring one with. I don't know. So I do like the packaging. It's very convenient, although storing it in this little box isn't the easiest. I do like that they gave you this little thing to store it in, which, I don't know, there's other brands that have these that don't give you this little plastic thing, which is really nice to dispense it with. So to open it, you just grab a Kleenex. There you go. Put it in here, take this little thing out, and then dispense it. So it's got a really nice water-light texture to it. And now I know what I'm going to be using for the next 3 or 4 days. But anyway, so great for when we used to be able to travel. Super light texture. And then you just throw the little cap thing away. So, okay, so packaging very nice. No denatured alcohol in this. No fragrance. The manufacturing location is France, so no issues with that. So ease of use, so you just, I guess they recommend using it right after cleansing. You recommend using it in the morning. So they have directions on how to open it, which I just showed. Twist off, save your reusable cap, yada yada. Apply to the face. It says repeat steps with the remaining formula in the evening. I just personally use it in the morning, but you can also use vitamin C at night. There's no issues with that. 1 ampoule serum is designed for morning and evening application. Fresh for 2 days once opened. Light water texture, absorbs quickly and plays well with other products very nicely. It's very light feeling, which is nice. It's probably most ideal for those with oily skin that don't like other thicker vitamin C serums, or a lot of vitamin C serums can be kind of oily or thick, or some of them can be a thick cream. This one's very nice, and you don't really even feel like you have anything on, although it does leave just a slightly sticky finish, but you're going to be using a moisturizer or a sunscreen over it. So that's not of a concern. So the ease of use, very easy. I know if you are kind of a budget person, I would say by the 3rd day, it's probably not very good anymore. The first application is going to be the best, most fresh with this. Although, you know what? It's still more fresh than opening a bottle of the SkinCeuticals Vitamin C Serum. And by the end of 2 weeks and on, it's just going to be very oxidized. So this one's nice for that reason. Okay, so antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So we've got what they call a highly concentrated formula of 10% vitamin C, which is a good amount. It's not like super high. There's a lot of serums with higher percentages, but they've got the nice type of vitamin C, which is L-ascorbic acid, which is the most studied, researched form of vitamin C, which is great for brightening skin. It's a great antioxidant, fights off free radicals and environmental and sun damage, anti-aging. Then we've got sodium hyaluronate in here, which is a good humectant. We've got hydrolyzed lupine protein and hydrolyzed rice protein, which are good skin conditioning ingredients. Then we've got hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, another good humectant. Not the most exciting ingredient list, but I do appreciate that, you know, if you're someone that has skin issues or allergies to other ingredients, it's nice to find a product that has a short ingredient list sometimes. Some people like everything all in one. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you're somebody that kind of wants to curate your own, you know, routine based on a certain amount of ingredients, this is great for that. I was also asked about the LiftActiv Peptide-C Moisturizer. And this one I can certainly review, but this one did not excite me much comparing the ingredients between the two, because this one has a high amount of denatured alcohol high up on the list. And it also has a high amount of fragrance, and then it's jar packaged, which I'm not too excited about. So if you're having to decide between the two, I highly recommend checking out the ampules instead. Okay, in terms of animal testing, Vichy is not cruelty-free because they are sold in mainland China, which requires animal testing. I don't know if that'll soon be like China in general or what. I don't know. But anyway, so they are not cruelty-free. Okay, in terms of performance, I love the fact that each ampule, right when you open it, contains fresh, unoxidized vitamin C in the form of L-ascorbic acid. The 10% strength is a great option for those who are newer to vitamin C or have sensitive skin. It's still a good amount, but it's not a crazy high percentage like some other serums have. I will say notice some brightening after regular use of this. The nice thing is this is safe for fungal acne and acne-prone skin. That makes this a great product for that, unless you dislike hyaluronic acid. But overall, if you have fungal acne-prone skin or acne-prone skin in general, the ingredients in this are going to be pretty safe for you to use. Then we come to the price, and this is another kind of, I mean, if you can get it on sale, that's the way to pick it up. So each one of these little ampules contains 1.8 milliliters. And in this package, there's 10 ampules. I already used almost all of them. Whoops, I almost used all of them up. But there's 10 ampules, and it retails, if you don't get on sale, for $29. So that's expensive. That means it costs over $1 a day. So, kind of pricey. If you can get on sale, that's the way to go. And if you want to push the ampules to get more than 2 uses out of each one, I'm not gonna yell at you for it because I get it. And then in terms of the it factor, it's a great yet pricey vitamin C product. It's great for traveling if we ever are able to do that again. Great for acne-prone and fungal acne-prone skin. Fragrance and alcohol-free. Really like this one. I wish it were a little bit more affordable. But what are you going to do? So, overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this an 8. Couple issues of note between the price and the cruelty-free status. But overall, it's still a pretty decent product, especially if you're newer to vitamin C or have sensitive skin. It's a great one for that. So, anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check these out. I think the Beauty Fix box included 1 ampule in them this month, so that's exciting. So, you get 2 days of vitamin C out of it. Anyway, I'm a little sarcastic today, sorry. Okay, anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys. I love hearing from you, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Here, Ike. Ike,
Hey,
come here, it's okay. Ike, here, treat.
A treat?
He's scared of that. Come here.